The nRF52833 development kit is a low-cost single-board development kit for starting your development on the nRF52833 SoC. The nRF52833 is a flexible multi-protocol SoC and the first device in the nRF52 series qualified for an extended ambient temperature ranging from -40 degrees to 105 degrees Celsius. The advanced SoC supports Bluetooth Low Energy and Bluetooth Mesh, Thread, Zigbee and 2.4 GHz proprietary protocols. It also includes a Bluetooth 5.1 direction finding capable radio. The elevated temperature qualification, coupled with ample available memory and dynamic multi-protocol capabilities, makes the nRF52833 an ideal device for a wide range of commercial and industrial applications, including professional lighting. The nRF52833 is built around a 64 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 with FPU and has 512 KB of flash and 128 KB of RAM memory available. It includes a range of analog and digital interfaces such as NFC A-tag, ADC, full-speed USB, high-speed SPI and more, and has a 1.7 volt to 5.5 volt supply voltage range, which enables powering device from rechargeable batteries or over USB. The two-stage LDO regulator and the DC-DC converter, together with the automated power management system, help deliver low power numbers even in more advanced applications. If you take a look around the kit, we see there is a PCB antenna and an SWF RF port for taking direct RF measurements. There are 4 user-programmable buttons. There's an NFC antenna connector for attaching an antenna for use with the on-chip NFC A-tag support. At the top right, there are 4 user-programmable LEDs and a switch to select between default and nRF-only modes. The nRF-only mode disconnects the power supply of the interface MCU and the LEDs, as well as disconnects the signal lines between the nRF52833 and the interface MCU using analog switches. This is done to isolate the chip on the board as much as possible and can be of use when measuring current numbers in low power applications. On the top and bottom of the board there are edge connectors for interfacing to all GPIOs and interfaces. These connectors conform to the Arduino Rev 3 standard, allowing you to use a wide range of third-party shields with this kit, including the compatible Power Profiler kit from Nordic Semi, which is an easy-to-use tool for measurements and optimization of power consumptions for embedded solutions. There are 2 micro USB connectors, one for connecting the kit to a PC for development work, and a second to interface directly to the on-chip full-speed USB controller. The board can be powered from a wide range of power sources, and as the nRF52833 supports an input voltage range of 1.7 to 5.5 volt, this includes rechargeable lithium polymer batteries. On the back side of the board there is also a coin cell battery holder. Current can be measured from dedicated power measurement pins, and there are debug out and debug in ports for using the nRF52833DK to program and debug your own target boards. Development on the nRF52833DK is supported by the nRF5 software development kit, providing all necessary examples, libraries and drivers to get started with Bluetooth development. The nRF52833 has Bluetooth 5.1 qualified protocol stack support using either the S113 or S140 soft devices from Nordic Semi. The S140 is a Bluetooth 5.1 qualified protocol stack that includes all the Bluetooth 5 features, including high throughput with 2 megabits per second transfer, Bluetooth long range, advertising extensions and improved coexistence with channel selection algorithm 2. The nRF5 SDK for Thread and Zigbee and the nRF5 SDK for Mesh have planned support for the nRF52833 in Q4 2019. And everything needed to start prototyping your applications can be downloaded from our web pages, www.nordicsemi.com. We're excited to see your ideas come to life on the nRF52833.